Message. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure you like, subscribe, share your boy content. If you're new to the channel, go check out some of my other videos to catch up on my personality. So today I want to give you another video. My last Snapchat video has been doing some numbers. If you haven't seen that video, I will either have a card up at the top or I will have the video in the description section. Today's Snapchat video, if you haven't seen it in the title, is about how to delete your photos or videos whenever you send a message out to one of your friends or partners. In this video, I will be giving you a good and a bad example, so stay tuned to the end. And I will be also giving you the pros and the cons to, using this method. Before we continue, I want to give this quick little speech. If you got any type of aspirations that you're trying to do, I think you definitely should take it head on. And if you got something that's holding you back, I feel like you should try to figure out how to get around that and then, pursue what you're trying to pursue head on. But no moment is a perfect moment, but those baby steps always helps. You feel me? So, I also always like to take my own advice before I give advice, and because I'm not perfect as well. But yeah, if you take those baby steps, whether you're trying to start a makeup channel, YouTube channel, whatever the case might be, you watering that channel, just look at it like a plant. You watering that channel every day or, twice a week or whatever the case might be, that channel will then get to blossoming eventually. It might have that moments where it might go dead, just like seasonal time, just like the winter, you feel me? But at the end of the day, you want to at least try to be consistent. And if you, like I said, got any type of aspirations, take that shit head on. And, let's get into the video. You feel me? Alright, so before we get started, make sure you guys go follow me on Snapchat. Not this account because this is a new account. I will have my account either on the screen or in the description section. So, before we get started, I'm gonna show you an example on how to delete your Snapchat messages, and also how it would not work as well. So let's get started. So I'm gonna show you the example on how it won't work first. So let's say if you decided you want to send like a normal picture, right? Where I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take a picture of the subscribe button so you guys can go subscribe. Don't allow, and then we're gonna send it, right? We're gonna send it to my main account. Not that one. I just thought about it. We're gonna send it to my main account, right? And once that happens, it actually sends an actual photo, right? You cannot delete this type of photo unless let's go to chat, and it's pending because I have to approve it. But unfortunately, you cannot delete this message. But let's say, for instance, if you decided to send me like a normal message, hey, go follow me at Jody J20, right? Let's say if I wanted to send that message out to you, right? For a second, what even loading. I hope you guys can see that. Let's say, like I said, let's say you send this message out, right? All you have to do is go to the message and you gotta hold it down, right? When you hold it down, all you gotta do is click delete, boom, and then okay. But there's always pros and cons to this. So the cons is that it will send the person that you're sending the message to a notification, and it says it right here as well, you deleted a chat. And the person also would not know what you sent them, don't get me wrong, but it still notifies them. The pros to this is that whatever you send to them, they don't actually get to see it. So you got full control. Like I said, the cons to it is that they still get notified. You feel me? But the pros is, another pro tip is to this is that if you delete the message, sometimes people do not like deleted messages because they just feel some type of way. They feel left out, or they feel like, damn, what was it that person possibly could have said, you know? So that's another thing. That's another, it could either be a pro or a con. But yeah, this tutorial was very useful. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share your boy content. What else? If you haven't seen the last video, make sure you go check out the video in the description section, or I will have a card on the video where you can also go check out the other video on how to send Snapchats from your camera roll or your memories. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. All right.